Hi guys, Mr. Tran here. Today we're going to learn about trigonomic ratios. So we have this right angle triangle here, and one of the angles is 20 degrees. What we're going to do today, we're going to label the three sides. First thing you want to label is the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse we know is opposite the right angle, and it's along the side of a triangle. So we're going to label this hypotenuse. Okay, now we're going to label the other two sides. So the side that is opposite the angle, we call that the opposite. So the side that is opposite the angle, we call that the opposite. And the side that is near the angle, or adjacent to the angle, we call that the adjacent. So to reiterate, the side that is across from the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and is the longest side in a triangle. The side that is opposite the angle is called the opposite, and the side that is nearby the angle is what we call the adjacent. I'll show you another example. Let's look at this triangle here. So we have a right angle triangle, and one of the angles is 45 degrees. First thing you want to do is label it. So this side here is the hypotenuse, because it's opposite the right angle triangle. Right angle, hypotenuse. The angle is here, and the side that is opposite the angle, that's what we call the opposite. So this side is the opposite. And the side that is nearby the angle is what we call the adjacent. I'll show you another example. Okay, we have this angle, we have this triangle here, right angle triangle, and we have 30 degrees in this corner here. First thing you want to do is label it. So the hypotenuse is across from the right angle, so it's along the side, hypotenuse. The opposite the angle is what we call the opposite. So this side is called the opposite. And then near the angle, or next to the angle, is what we call the adjacent. Last triangle here, we have this triangle here, and we have angle X. Let's label it. Yep, this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, H for hypotenuse. Opposite it will be side opposite. Yep, good. And then lastly, the last side is nearby. We call that the adjacent, letter A. And that is introduction to trigonomic ratios. Thanks guys.